guys, and welcome back for a new Q&DI inspo video from my side. And today I have something very simple but very cool, only a one-shot picture idea, but I think the idea is very cool. So let's go ahead. Here you will find my complete materials I used, and below you will find my camera settings as always on this format here on my channel. And the main item will be gift wrapped paper like this here, but you don't need the paper around here. You need only the paper tube inside of this gift wrapped paper. And then my setup will be also very simple. You have to lay this tube on your table, and then you need your camera with a tripod, and then you have to arrange the height of the lens in the same height like this tube here. And then you have to focus through this tube. I used my kit lens for this. And then you have only to close your aperture. In my case it was 22. And on the other side you have to place some RGB lights, or you can use also a torch with color folds. And that's all. Very simple idea, but I think the effect is very cool. So we can go ahead with my results. I wish you a lot of fun to take cool pictures, and we will see us in my next tutorial. Ciao!